Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ask the Educator podcast. This is Kevin Anderson, your host, and with me in studio for the special edition, Adam Okada. And for this one, guys, if you're listening, please check out the YouTube video because in this episode, we are modeling the very new AAMI Level 4 Decontamination Gown. I hope I said that correctly. It is a mouthful, but hey, there's a reason we call it the AAMI Level. AAMI Level 4 Decontamination Gown. So transitioning into that, Adam, why don't you share why this is important from your experience? What is the big deal with an AAMI Level 4 gown?
Yeah, first of all, I want to apologize to the viewers who are having to look at the modeling that Healthmark has offered visually for these. They are really nice gowns. I really love the gowns. But, I mean, my history in decontamination, when I was in the decontamination area, we had two types of gowns. Yep. There was the plastic gown. The plastic gown had better protection, but it was really hot. Like you would just come out of decontam drenched in sweat, and the gown would stick to your arm, and you'd have to like peel it away from your arm because it was just stuck to you. Yep. And I was coming out with scrubs that were just wet with sweat. It was disgusting. And then the other type of gown was really thin. It was like a thin layer. It was a little more breathable, but then you would just get the water splashing on you the whole time at the sink, and then you'd come out with wet scrubs. So one way or the other, I was walking out just completely drenched in wet, like water or sweat. It was just horrible for everybody. So that's my experience in decontam. It was just an unpleasant experience. But I've been wearing this, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes now at this point, and I'm not sweating at all. You've seen me on stage. I sweat like crazy. So this is actually really breathable. It's 40% lighter than our old gown. So if you're familiar with the older Healthmark reinforced gown, this is actually 40% lighter. It feels really light and breathable. Yeah. But if you wouldn't mind standing up for a second.
Sure.
And showing off the diamond reinforced area. So this is a ANSI AAMI PB70 compliant gown. It's AAMI Level 4. The minimum standard for decontam, or if you're going to be exposed to bloodborne pathogens, is AAMI Level 3. And you can see there the diamond reinforced shape that's on the inside. So Kevin has done a great job of modeling that for us. But what's really great about the AAMI Level 4 is it's providing that extra level of protection. So AAMI Level 3, if you look at what the standard says, it's really if a nurse goes into an isolation area and that patient sneezes on them, it's providing droplet protection on the gown, which is great, but that's not what we deal with in the decontamination area. We're getting a lot more liquid, and it's coming at us in like buckets at times where it's just splashing on us. So that reinforced area is really huge.
Yeah, it reminds me of my days starting out, but when I started out, I was in the operating room, and we used surgical gowns, and most of the time I was in ortho, so we were using the AAMI Level 4, and that was what I was used to. They're nice and light, like you said, which is nice. But one of the things that struck me when I moved to management in sterile processing was all the folks from my team coming by my office out of decontam. They're heading to their break. You know, the break room is by my office, and they're just soaked. Their fronts are soaked. And I was like shocked. I'm like, what is going on? And what I ended up finding out was the gowns that they were using were procedure gowns. They had no AAMI level association whatsoever. And I think that they were just meant to be, you know, go into an isolation room or go into a procedure room, that kind of thing. Basic protection. Far from an AAMI Level 4, and here they are, they're just drenched, and I'm thinking, wow, they're going to have to change their scrubs, and every time they break, they're going to have to, that's just way too much, plus an infection control risk on top of that. So having an AAMI Level 4 gown, decontamination gown for you, meant for what we do with the reinforced area that it has, it's awesome. And then the other component too, you mentioned the plastic gowns. A lot of the plastic gowns that I remember using had kind of an open back, and they were fragile, but they had an open back. And these ones, they have 360 degree coverage. So if you're in a decontam that's a little larger and you have more people working in the department, and you have to worry about splash. We all have to worry about splash. I don't know if you guys have heard of the Ofsted Associates and their study on the splash. You got to have that 360 protection. So this is a do-it-all gown for you. And I realize that's, it sounds kind of marketing on this podcast, but we're actually just really excited about this product and being able to offer it because, as you said, it's a Healthmark thing. We like to provide products that actually solve a problem that you guys deal with every single day. And with that, do you have any other comments or anything else you'd like to share before we wrap up?
I mean, the only thing I want to add is that this is designed for us in sterile processing. I mean, this is a product solution designed to help us in an area where we need it. And those old gowns, the plastic ones that we would come out sticky and those thin ones that were just not good protection, this is designed for decontamination. 360-degree coverage, 40% lighter than the older gowns. I could not be happier. I could do a whole podcast in this and not be drenched in sweat. It's exciting, so I'm happy with it.
Yeah, and this is like our 25th take. So, I mean, we've actually been here for a long time.
Well, we're models. We're not professional speakers, so. I mean.
That's right, and it pairs very well with our sleeve gloves and the face shield. All of that goes together very well. But, please check out the episode on YouTube and also reach out to your local Healthmark territory manager, get some samples in, give this gown a shot, see what you think. We'd love to hear about what you think about this gown, and we think you're going to really, really like this one. And with that, we'll actually wrap it up here, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.